let me explain you what does the gateway internally doing, like how will this internally work. Concentrate here. Let me revise. Your M2M devices are available in a certain network in a single area of network, and those M2M devices are non-IP based devices. Technically we call proprietary products. They don't have IP. These devices in the network, they want to communicate the remote area, communication area. As I said, so devices are available in this building. They want to communicate the devices which are available far. Those we call as remote. You know what is mean by local and remote, yes or no? Yes. So many times I said local means they are available in a certain range. Remote means they are available wireless. There is a connection is wireless. So these devices want to communicate with remote area network. At that time we are using the gateway. What gateway is doing? It is providing an IP address. It is generating an IP address to the devices. See here, M2M node means your devices. M2M node stands for devices which are communicating to the gateway by using communication protocols which are native. Native means they are available within an area with a certain distance, 100 meters, 200 meters. So those protocols are nothing but these are the native protocols. Bluetooth, Zigbee, IEEE 802.15.4, Wi-Fi, that is wireless, Zigbee is wireless, 6LoWPAN, even it is wireless. So your M2M nodes, they are communicating to the gateway with native protocols by using certain native. Native means it's a limited range. Understandable? This error mark is nothing but these protocols, this communication protocols. Clear? Native protocol. That's why there are about native protocol. The communication between your devices and gateway is activated by native protocol. The protocols which are native, which are within a certain limited range. Zigbee is limited up to 100 meters. Your Wi-Fi is limited up to how much? If you have a Wi-Fi, does it provide up to that canteen? Is it available? Say yes or no? Say yes or no? Is it or no? Like that, we will have a native protocols. So what M2M gateway internally is doing? It was protocol translation means it was routing or it was mentioning the IP address to your M2M node. Means concentrate here. This protocol to network protocol. This is communication. Protocol translation means concentrate here. It is acting as a proxy. Your gateway is acting as a proxy. It was transferring that communication native protocol, the data, towards the network protocol. You have already studied about network protocol. Yes, no. The network protocol is responsible for routing the data, routing the information. That's why your topics are dependent on each other. I'll repeat one more time. Your M2M node is communicating to the gateway by using native protocol. The protocol which are native, which are available with a certain range. Those native protocols are nothing but Bluetooth. So Bluetooth is available for a certain range. Say yes or no? Either you can use Bluetooth, you can use Zigbee, you can use Wi-Fi, 6LoWPAN. The next step is protocol translation. From where? From communication protocol to network protocol. Internally it is doing. Already we have studied link layer protocol, network layer protocol, transport layer protocol, application layer protocol. This network layer protocol is responsible for carrying the datagram, routing the information. Datagram means which contains the data. So it is acting as a proxy. The gateway is acting as a proxy to route your IP address or to route any information. Like this, internally gateway, M2M gateway is acting to provide a communication between M2M area network and M2M communication network. Understandable? I'll repeat one more time. Your M2M area network will have M2M devices, M2M nodes. Those are non-IP based. They don't have IP address. Now they want to communicate with the other devices which are available rootly or which are available remotely, wirelessly. For that purpose, we are using a M2M gateway. Internally, what it was doing? It is providing a connection between M2M node and M2M gateway done by native protocol. The protocols which are native, not far from that. Those are nothing but Bluetooth, Zigbee, or IEEE 802.15 port. Now we have done. Once the communication is done, it is acting as a protocol translation. It translates communication protocol to network protocol or from network protocol to communication protocol. It is translated to network protocol. What network protocol do? It carries the router information, it carries the datagram, it addresses the source and destination. So yes or no? We have already studied that. So once it is done, it acts as a proxy to reach or to move IP routing or in order to move or in order to address internet protocol to the devices. Clear? So internally, your M2M gateway is responsible for that. I hope you understood. Still, if you have any questions, any queries, you can ask. Clear? What are the native protocols we have? What are the native protocols we have?